Okay, for today's taste test, we have another awesome product from Shannon. Thank you, Shannon. You're wonderful. Okay, Twix Cookies and Cream. And I just had Oreos, so this will be like a real comparison of cookie cream flavor. Let's try. Oh, it's really good. So it has no caramel, but it's exactly like Shannon was saying. The creamy part on top tastes caramelly. It's kind of bizarre. It's like chewy gooey. Very Oreo tasting. Not quite Oreo, but cookie and cream tasting. Yep, these are really good Twix. You did good. Better than the peanut butter where you didn't put caramel, which would have enhanced the product. Still, if you would have put caramel here, I wouldn't have objected. But solid 1.5 thumbs up. 1.5. Yay, Twix.